If you've ever been quoted $5,000 for a custom website, but you're just trying to launch a clean, high converting page, yeah, same. That's why I started using Landingi. It's a no-code landing page builder, and here's the best part. It connects directly with WordPress using their plugin. So you get the power of Landingi's drag and drop editor and 400 plus beautiful templates inside your WordPress site. Setup simple. You install the Landingi plugin, connect it with your API key, and boom, you can drop your fully designed Landingi pages right into your WordPress pages or blogs. No coding, no messy with clunky page builders, just pick a template, customize the design, add your content, and publish in minutes. And yeah, it looks like a $5,000 site, but you built it yourself in under 10. It even supports advanced features like pop-ups, analytics, and AI tools to help optimize your page, all while keeping things running smooth inside WordPress. If you want to build a pro-level site without blowing your budget, definitely check out Landingi. Click the link in the description below to get started.